Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with 2023 CTET social science questions. So these questions are based on that pattern and some questions are from 2023 also. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Which one of the following is a source to know about the prehistoric period? A. Biography. B. Autobiography. C. Archaeology. D. Literature. Answer is C. Archaeology. Prehistoric period refers to the time before written records. Archaeology is the study of excavated tools, remains, and fossils. Is the primary source, unlike literary or personal accounts, which belongs to historic periods. Question number 2. The right to constitutional remedies is provided in which article of the Indian Constitution? Options: A. Article 32, B. Article 21, C. Article 19, D. Article 14. Answer is A. Article 32. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar called Article 32 the heart and the soul of the Constitution because it allows citizens to approach the Supreme Court directly for enforcement of fundamental rights. Question number 3. Which of the following is southernmost range of Himalayas? A. Himadri, B. Himachal, C. Shivalik, D. Purvanchal. Answer is C. Shivalik. The Himalayas have three parallel ranges: Himadri, that is greater or inner, Himachal, lesser or middle, and Shivalik, outer and southernmost. Shivalik is the outermost and southernmost. Question number 4. The concept of sovereign socialist secular democratic republic was added in the preamble by which amendment? A. 42nd Amendment, B. 44th Amendment, C. First Amendment, D. 73rd Amendment. Answer is A, that is 42nd Amendment. The 42nd Amendment of the Constitution, the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 added socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble during the emergency period. Question number 5. Which river is known as the Swaro of Bihar? A. Ganga, B. Kosi, C. Yamuna, D. Brahmaputra. Answer is B. Kosi. The Kosi River frequently changes its course and causes devastating floods in Bihar, earning to the nickname of Sorrow of Bihar. Question number 6. In which year was the right to education inserted as a fundamental right under Article 21A? A 2002, B 2009, C 2010, and D 1995. Answer is A 2002. The 86th Amendment Act 2002 inserted Article 21A, making education a fundamental right for the children ages 6 to 14 years. This question covers the name of the Amendment Act and the article and the right of the 6 to 14 years. RTE Act implemented in 2009. Next question. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A 1757, B 1764, D 1857, C 1857, D 1526. Answer is A 1757. It was fought between Sirajuddaulah and Robert Clive, East India Companies. Robert Clive was of East India Company. It marked the beginning of British political control in India. Next question. Which of the following is a non-renewable resources? A. Solar energy, B. Wind energy, C. Coal, and D. Water. Answer is C. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel formed over millions of years and is finite, non-renewable, unlike solar, wind, or water, which are renewable. Next question. The idea of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution was borrowed from which country's constitution? A. USA, B. USSR, C. Japan, D. UK. Answer is B. USSR. It is added by the 42nd Amendment 1976. Fundamental duties are mentioned in Article 51A, were inspired by the Constitution of the erstwhile Soviet Union USS. Next question, which latitude passes through the middle of India? A. Tropic of Cancer, B. Equator, C. Tropic of Capricorn, D. Arctic Circle. Answer is A. Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 inch 9 north, 23 degree 30 and passes through central India uh, and 8 states, dividing the country into almost equal parts latitudinally. Next question, the Dandi March was associated with which movement? This is very important question. A. Non-cooperation movement, B. Civil disobedience movement, C. Quit India movement, and D. Swadeshi movement. Answer is B. Civil disobedience movement, led by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 to break the salt law. It was a key event in the civil disobedience movement against British monopoly on salt. Next question, which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor? A. Article 23, B. Article 24, C. Article 21, D. Article 19. Answer is Article 23. Article 23 prohibits human trafficking and forced labor, that is known as begar. Begar, that is without giving remuneration, protecting against exploitation. Next question, black soil is most suitable for cultivation of which crop? This is also very important question. A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Cotton, and D. Tea. Answer is C. Cotton. Black soil, known as Riger or tropical Chernogen, is rich in clay and retains moisture, is ideal for cotton, hence called black cotton soil in regions like Deccan Plateau. Next question, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, D. Sardar Patel. Answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Ambedkar chaired the drafting committee and played a pivotal role in framing the Constitution of India. Next question, in social science pedagogy, which approach emphasizes learning by doing and activity-based learning? A. Lecture method, B. Project method, C. Textbook method, D. Examination method. Answer is B. Project method. Project method, advocated by John Dewey, promotes experiential learning through hands-on projects, inquiry, and real-life application in social science teaching. Thank you.